In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an existing customer in QuickBooks. Whether you're streamlining your customer list or perhaps just tidying up your records, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process smoothly. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to sign into your QuickBooks account. This initial step ensures you have the necessary access to perform any changes and manage your data. Navigate to the sign-in page and get yourself logged in. QuickBooks is primarily an online tool, so once you're there, you'll want to select QuickBooks Online as your platform. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. These include your username and password that you've set up for your QuickBooks account. Make sure you enter them correctly and then click on Continue to proceed. This will get you securely signed into your account, ready to manage your customers. Once you're signed in, head over to the Customers and Leads tab. This section is your go-to place for managing your customer information. You'll find it in your navigation menu, likely on the left-hand side of the interface. This tab allows you to seamlessly access your entire customer database and perform modifications as needed. After accessing the Customers and Leads tab, you'll want to click on Customers. This will take you directly to your customer list. Each customer is listed here clearly, along with all their associated information. It's the perfect interface to sort through and decide which customers need to be archived. Now, find the customer you want to delete. On the right hand side of your screen, locate the Action column. There is a small drop-down menu located underneath this column. Clicking on the drop-down menu will present you with several options related to the customer records. Choose Make Inactive from the list of options. Making a customer inactive is essentially QuickBooks' way of deleting or archiving the record without actually removing it entirely from your accounts. This feature is particularly useful if you want to keep a history with the potential to restore this information later if needed. Finally, a confirmation message will appear asking if you're sure you want to make this customer inactive. For clarity and confirmation, click on Yes, Make Inactive. And there you have it, that customer record is now inactive, removing them from your active list and decluttering your QuickBooks environment. With these few simple steps, you've efficiently learned to manage your QuickBooks customer list, making sure it's up to date and reflecting only current important client information. Remember, managing a tidy and precise customer database is crucial in maintaining smooth business operations. Thanks for watching and happy organizing in QuickBooks.